Were Andrew Brown's civil rights violated when deputies gunned him down in North Carolina? And will a court rule to have the full body cam video of Brown's death be made public? Those are some of the more pressing questions the Brown family has tonight. The FBI opened a federal civil rights investigation into the shooting today, and now civil rights lawyers, activists, and advocates from across the country have joined the community in Elizabeth City, North Carolina, to demand answers. One of the lawyers for the Brown family is a familiar face. Bakari Sellers, a prominent civil rights attorney and political commentator, joins me live tonight to talk about recent developments in the case, including a new surveillance video that shows deputies before the fatal shooting. But first, let's head to Elizabeth City, where BNC correspondent Narissa Knight is standing by. Narissa, please bring us up to speed.
Well, Yodit, you know, it's been a week almost since the fatal shooting of Andrew Brown Jr. here in Elizabeth City, North Carolina. It took his life, and it's put this community on edge right now. Many in the community are growing impatient. Today, family members and attorneys released preliminary findings of that autopsy result showing that Brown was shot 5 times, including a fatal shot to the back of his head that went straight through his family members' hearts.
To my pops, man, yesterday I said he was executed. This autopsy report showed me that was correct. Those 3 gunshots to the arm, that wasn't enough? That wasn't enough? It's obvious he was trying to get away. It's obvious. And they gonna shoot him in the back of the head. That man.
Andrew Brown Jr.'s son, Khalil Faribe, is flanked by family attorneys as they release the results of an independent autopsy Tuesday regarding the April 21st hail of fatal gunfire, described by the family as an execution that rained on the 42-year-old father of 7 while in his car in the driveway of Brown's Elizabeth City, North Carolina home, as the Pasquotank County Sheriff's Department served a drug-related search warrant that ended in Brown's death and 7 deputies now placed on leave. When you looked at that video, what was that moment like with the family?
It was very traumatic. It was extremely difficult. I was in there as the only attorney in there. I was trying to get all the details and all the facts. That's why I took so many notes. I was trying to make sure the family members were okay.
Everyone is feeling, to be honest, we mad, angry, hurt. It's just a mix of emotions of everything, to be honest. It's all, we really just want the real truth. That 20-second video wasn't the real truth.
In the town square, tensions are high as community leaders, family, and members of the community request transparency. The county remains under a declared state of emergency. Many say they're in a state of exhaust and pain.
Andrew Brown had did something wrong, you would see that video immediately. It's only when the police officers kill us unjustly do they delay the video so they can try to conspire to conceal the truth.
He was shot in the back of the head. You know, you can't get shot in the back of the head in this country by law enforcement. That's an execution. That's a crime. You can't do that.
Now, the hearing regarding the release of all the body camera videos involved is scheduled for tomorrow when a magistrate will decide, and the county says they will not release that video until that judge's decision. Meanwhile, the FBI has become involved now, and there's an investigation at the federal level, and the governor here in North Carolina has called for an independent judge to oversee the proceedings of that investigation. Meanwhile, the family, of course, has their independent investigation, and an internal investigation is also going on that the family and many in the community do not trust. Just plainly put, they want answers here, and they want to see and hear what exactly happened before that blurred and redacted 20-second video that only some have been privy to. Reporting live in Elizabeth City, North Carolina, Narissa Knight, BNC. Back to you in the studio, Yodit.
Excellent reporting. Thank you so much, Narissa. All right, the Brown family has several high-profile civil rights attorneys working on their behalf. Tonight, one of those attorneys joins me on making the case. Bakari Sellers, a civil rights attorney, political commentator, and former South Carolina state representative. Bakari, thank you so very much for coming on tonight.
No, thank you so much for having me on your platform. You're brilliant, and this is an honor for me to represent the Brown family with you tonight.
Thank you, Bakari. All right, let's start with the latest development in the case. This new video, which appears to show deputies before the fatal shooting. What can you tell us about this video that you clearly weren't allowed to see before today, and now coincidentally, we see more footage the same day the FBI says it's opening up a civil rights probe?
Well, there are a few things. One, I have to state that Elizabeth City, the actual city, has been very responsive. The chief of police has been great. The city manager has been great. The mayor has been great. I want people to know that this is vastly different, separate and apart from the county attorney, the sheriff, and all of those involved with prohibiting us from viewing the video. That the reason that's important is because the video you see are actually city cameras. They are cameras that are on the pole outside of Mr. Brown's home. You see them, and I use this analogy all the time, and sometimes people look at me like I'm crazy or it falls on deaf ears. But they appear to be like the Red Dogs from the 1990s, or Jump Out Boys, as we call them colloquially. They pull up about 5 deep on the back of the truck in an extended cab, one in the front, one in the passenger, and it appears to be 2 or 3 in the back. The unique thing about this video, though, is that they literally start shooting before all of them have even exited the truck. This is truly an ambush. This is truly an execution. And it probably is a very short video. I mean, the 20 seconds they showed us probably encapsulates a great deal of it because there was no warning. There was no confrontation prior to. This was an ambush and an execution.
Yeah. Well, Bakari, the sheriff's office made the family wait 120 hours to show them all of 20 seconds of body cam footage. Now, we've seen issues concerning the release of body cameras after a police shooting. They're usually sealed away from public view for weeks or months after a shooting, if it's ever even released. But I've never seen this before, where law enforcement pick parts of a video they believe are most relevant to a grieving family, and the parts they showed, according to you, was evidence of an execution. So it makes you wonder just how damning the other parts they don't want the family to see are. What was said in that moment when you and the family realized that 20 seconds was all that you all were going to be seeing?
My number one concern was for Khalil, to be completely honest, because, you know, my father's still with me, and I love my father. I'm like one of those guys who is dreading the day when we'll be apart. So you make the moment, make the most of every single moment. And 99.999% of us have never seen our father executed before our eyes. And for him to have to watch that, for him to have to view that, I was really just concerned for him. And he had some outbursts, but it was controlled, it was calm, it was deliberate. Just talking to law enforcement that was in the room about the fact that they killed his father. So, you know, that was a concern. You know, the county attorney was utterly disrespectful. He talked to me like I was a boy. But, you know, we will get through this. And as Ben calmed me down and said, justice will always rise to the top.
Well, Bakari, when someone is shot in the back by police, which in this case, in the back of the head, that raises automatic flags, right? It means someone was moving away from police. So based on your observations of the 20 seconds of video, Andrew Brown was in the car and driving away from police. And we know that there's only a limited number of contexts in which police can use lethal force against someone who is trying to flee. And that's when they believe the individual is a threat to officers or poses a threat to others. So if Brown was without a weapon or threat of a weapon, then there was no justification for deadly force. So was there any explanation given by those in the room to justify what you all had just watched in those 20 seconds?
No, I mean, there was no attempt to justify. I think it's unjustifiable, to be completely honest. And I want to be clear. When the Jump Out Boys pulled up, his hands were on the steering wheel. And his hands being on the steering wheel, he was actually shot in the right side, right arm, 4 times. He did a 3-point turn. He backed up and then backed away from law enforcement and then drove around law enforcement. So they were never in any danger, any harm's way. And they riddled the back of that car, chasing him down, hunting him with ARs. This was just unbelievable, in the truest sense of the word. I mean, we know the Supreme Court cases in which you can shoot fleeing suspects and when you cannot, felony fleeing suspects. Yeah. This doesn't even, I mean, this doesn't even require any type of legal review. They executed him and they shot him in the back of the head. We have that proof. And as soon as we get all of this body camera footage, we will know the truth of what happened. I don't understand why they won't do it. We saw with Ma'Khia Bryant, in Columbus.
Within hours.
Video
yeah.
came out. We've never seen it that quick, and here we are.
Well, okay, so there's a hearing tomorrow before a Superior Court judge who will make the final call on whether to make the full body cam video public. There are a number of factors the court considers, and law enforcement and or the prosecutor's office can object to the video's release. What are you expecting from tomorrow's hearing?
I think the revelation from tomorrow's hearing will be that the district attorney objects to the release of the video. And I believe that to be for political considerations in his future candidacy as a Superior Court judge and not any considerations to his oath of office or to the family. That's first. I think we need an independent investigation. The sheriff actually wants the entire video released. And that, this is going to be an interesting, kind of charade that we see in a courtroom that we can't really say much about.
Yeah. Well, we're definitely going to be keeping an eye on the proceedings tomorrow, and of course you all and the family. And Bakari, thank you so much for joining me. Civil rights attorney Bakari Sellers, thank you.